Meetings. I know your calendar is full of them. But if you want to establish a good rapport with your new employee, you'll need to set aside time to meet with them. Download our Meeting with Employee Guide for managers to make the most of these opportunities. We recommend you set recurring one-on-ones to have productive conversations and build trust. They're a great way to show your employees you care about their progress as individuals within your company. These meetings are meant to be more than just project updates. Instead, show your interest in the employee as a person. Ask if you can help remove roadblocks and give them the tools needed to succeed in both their job and their learning roadmap development. Decide on a set core of questions that you'll ask at every meeting and send those questions to each employee so they can prepare ahead of time. Let them bring ideas to the table too. You can start with a question like, "What's important for us to talk about today?" Soon, you'll have improved communication and better clarity across your entire team.